Working Asset Management project, the WAM project at Nova Scotia Power, objective was to implement a new version of Maximo. We had been on Maximo for 10 years or more, and we had a lot of work to do restructuring our work orders so that we could better schedule our work. And we decided to do a re-implementation rather than just an upgrade. And it was really around aging technology, but there were a lot of benefits in better data mining and metrics to be available to us and do more preventive maintenance work and work order tracking and integrations with different systems. So that was really the objective, is to upgrade our technology but to have better tools and abilities within our technology systems.
I think more than anything it's kept us up to date and kept us within the realm of competition, right? So technology is moving very quickly every day, and if we don't keep up with it, then we're kind of affecting the people who we serve as an organization. So from that perspective, I think that's how far we went. How far it affected our actual organization, I think we've touched around maybe at least 800 users, end users, and maybe 2,000 employees probably feeling the impact of our solution. Yeah. We applied to recognize our team and our hard work, so we put a lot of effort into it, a lot of dedication and a lot of commitment to it, and yeah, more than anything it was to recognize all of our hard work and all of our commitment across the entire team.
I would recommend anyone to apply for the MaximoWorld Awards. It was, unbeknownst to the rest of the organization, they may not know how much effort goes into a project like this, but when we were recognized, there was so many hours and so much team camaraderie working on such a project like this, in late hours and early mornings and different time zones, and the recognition really pays off because it was a really big team event, and we can celebrate with our team.